All right, so looks like I'm recording here, and we're going to do a little something with the resistor codes. So just a real quick video to show you how to do that. So it looks like we have a resistor here that they're using as an example, and you'll notice you'll have 4 or 5 bands, and we want to turn it so that the gold or silver band is on the far right, and the first 3 bands from the left will be the ones you want, which in this case we have a brown, a black, and a red one here from the left-hand side. And each color represents a number, and so you have this code here to help you translate those numbers. And the first 2 digits are just the numbers, where the third one is very special because it actually tells you how many zeros to add on to the end of the number. So this is called the multiplier band. So in this example, we'd have a brown, which represents a 1. We'd have a black, which represents a 0. And then a red, which represents adding 2 zeros on the end. And so this would be 1,000 ohms. Notice it gets tricky if the third one is black, because that means add 0 zeros, which means you don't do anything. And it's real tempting to add a 0 there when that happens, so be careful with that. Let's do a quick example here. Let's say I have this resistor, and I can spin it any old which way. So I'm going to want to put it this way so that the gold is on the right-hand side. So I'd get green, blue, red. It'd be incorrect to have it this way. You'd have the wrong color sequence. So make sure you have the gold or the silver one far to the right. And then we're going to use these 3 bands. So it's pretty clear that the green one represents a 5, the blue one represents a 6, and the red one, which represents 2, actually represents how many zeros to add on after the 5 and the 6. So we get the 5, we get the 6, and then the multiplier band gives us 2 zeros. When you write the symbol for ohms, please make sure that you make it very clearly not a 0. A lot of times it gets written in a way that this could look like 56,000, where actually it's 5,600 when you write the symbol for ohms. So that's how you use the color coding for figuring out published values for resistors. Good luck.